Do you know? You wanna go bye-bye? Wanna get in the car and go bye-bye? Wanna go Vegas? Wanna go hack all the things? Drink all the beer? Yeah, let's go do that. So every August, basically the entire hacking world shows up in Las Vegas for 1 week. People typically call this the Hacker Summer Camp, and of course it's in August when Vegas is probably the hottest it usually is. So we got there and it was 115 degrees outside. There's really two conventions this week. Black Hat's first and then DEFCON is second. So Black Hat is primarily for managers, CISOs, people like that, and why they're there is to basically understand how things have changed in the community as far as the hacking community, what kind of threats exist, and then also what kind of solutions there are. So then there's DEFCON, which is a completely different vibe entirely. So there's no company badge, there's nobody selling anything, and this is actually where most of the hackers show up. So for basically 4 days, you have hackers that are meeting together, trying to learn as much as they can. They're going to the, like I said, to the different villages, meeting people that they consider subject matter experts, and hopefully for them to get some names and contact information so that they can continue to learn for the next year. So today's day 2. I actually did the class yesterday, and it basically went until 7 at night, local time, and it's kicking off at 9 this morning. About to go grab breakfast. The class was actually really good, and the reason why I say that is because it has a combination of foundational deep dive information, and then it also has hands-on. And so far it's taken us through basically exploiting the underlying architecture and the RAG, and we're working on attacking the agents now. Later today, we're gonna do MCPs and stuff like that. So this is the course that I'm taking, adversarial AI red teaming, and we're looking, like I said, we're going from the RAG. We did that yesterday. We kicked off agents today, and then we're gonna move into production next. So it's 7:45, breakfast opens at 8, and that's why everything's pretty much dead right now. I'm down at the very bottom floor, and everybody's heading basically to the top floor. In about 15 minutes is when breakfast opens up, and then in an hour and 15 minutes is when class starts. So I've got a few things I still need to do, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up, and we'll pick it up later. So I just completed basically 2 days worth of training, and the day before I drove from Colorado to Las Vegas. So the drive was 12 hours, and each of the days for training, the training was actually 9 hours each. So what's next? So today is Monday. And again, Monday and Tuesday are still training days or summit days, and I'm not participating in that. So I'm basically just doing work. And then I'm going to the briefings for Black Hat on Wednesday and Thursday. No, you don't get to go up the escalator. You got little boots on. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. No, this is perfect. Thank you very much.
London, yeah, we live for the